see. Guarantee this is locked. No. Let's see. What is this? 7330 premium. Got the loader stick in. It's IV. Yeah, IVT. Gotta be down there somewhere. I just can't seem to find it. Where's that stiff? Yeah. Would like to know the hours out. There's no key in these. Yep, no key. Yeah. 7330 premium. For the Kubota. Got something back there. There's a 3-point arms. Fall. Got the 741 loader on her. Iced in the ground. Now this is a 6R. I can't tell, I guarantee you. Yep, it's locked. I suppose we can just peek in there. I don't know, you guys see. There's a whole lot of nothing in there. There's 7230R. There's equipment around here though. That's why I got the single door. They both got mowers on them. Then we got the dual hubs, and this one just got the actual. My phone's buzzing. Yep, Goodyear tires. There's a loader. They're both loader tractors. There's all ice over here. It's got to paint the cowboy boots in. And that had water. There was something more fitted towards me right there. And this is probably a lot too, because it's like a brand new tractor. Yep. This. And that door's always, this is a left door's always locked down these things. Yep. It's locked. And here's a 333R. This is not bad. Hydrostatic. Very bad. What's this? Here's something. An 855. These are good tractors. Yep. There's your loader controls. You got your forward reverse over here in frozen. It's got the classic Easy Rider knob, which is also frozen on it. PTO, what's that got? 1690, assume that's rolled over once. But you don't know what these old are. I'll check that out back there. See if we get back there. I used to come up here all the time on Sundays when I was a kid. Kubota lot? No. Something my dad used to pick up here. Kubota like this. It's not locked, but it's all rusty as get out. Not a fan of Kubota tractors. There's that right there, the throttle pedal. He's not bad though. I mean, it's not too bad besides that. He's not in, of course. He's not bad tractor. This is an older one. How old? I do not know. I'm not really into Kubota tractors. Like some people. I think that's shut tight. I don't know. YouTube has one of these. I always see if I can leave his link in the description below. I went behind him. Huh? I went behind him. I don't know, just look at the utility ones, I guess. There's a big one back there. There's a big, really big one back there. We can supposed to circle our way around, come down that way. And this is all new, these guardrails. Well, I think these way you get in through the other side. Something Pat would have, like some of these in here. Some of the bigger ones. Yeah, those would be more fitted towards our house. These little smaller ones in here. Yeah. There's a gator over there if you want to look at that. There's a Spoker D. Around. Is it on me? 1025R, another gator. So is this gator unlocked? It's 50. It's D, so it's probably a diesel. Yes, it is. Depends what how farms work have it and that. I don't know. And that's broken. Yeah. You got high-low part, and that's your diff, and there's your park back here. There's steering reverse, familiar with me. Nice have keys in because these new owners are different. The old ones. Yeah, that range open. Gator, another gator. Sure, yeah, right there, man. That's your equipment. Something up there in a while. There's something I've been wanting that I'd like to try out. These zero turns or these tires on them. I don't know, Better Nails what the advertisement was. And that's really slick. I think something like this, but older right over here. Not these two small ones, this bigger one. That's what my great uncle would have. This used to be like a used equipment dealer. I think his would be about a couple of miles bigger than the new one. This is old. Oh yeah, this brings back memories right here. This shifter and this hydraulic stick. This has got the foot throttle on it too, clutch. What is this? 3-speed? Yeah. So it'll be a 9-speed almost. That's interesting. That's 7290. I guarantee that's locked, so I'm not going to try it. You never know though. Not a bad tractor. There we go. Front end loader implements. I'm making that outside around, but I just keep putting other stuff. I remember they retained that Spoker. They used to be all rusted and falling apart. That was just 1025. I've looked at one of these before. Way out of my price range. Then I looked at that one. Wait, does that get the same? I don't know, it looked like one of my earrings, but it's not. I can get my freezing rain soon. I'll just go look around, I guess. No rush closed because it's Sunday. See what's back here. Oh, here's all the lawnmowers. See, that big one back there, it's an 8R, I think it is. The customers. What is that? 8520. Look at that. I know this thing's locked, but I just want to look. It's got the ILS front end in it. Seems like fair in person than I do videos. That power shift. Yep, it's locked. Yeah, it's got power shift in it. Probably does 26 miles an hour down the road. Here's a skid steer. Look at that. There's your used equipment. It's not much now. Nothing like it used to be. There's big tires on this thing. What are these? GM 600 trail boards. There it is right there. The tires on this thing. These are 50 55E. Skid steer. And Bill's T-Max has one of these. What? Yeah. There's your... Oh, is this a solid front end? Doesn't look like it. Now let's see, what is this? HW right there. This is cool. Not 8530. There's your full rack with 47 pull drums. That thing sure set up for tillage. I think it's got the weights in it too. I think it's got the weights in the tires. But I think that's a 78. Yeah. That's like what Wes has. But it is an 85 there, 90. I want to see that one, that orange guy right there.
What's that?
That orange, the industrial. Their snowplow. I just want to see the model of it because I think Travis's used to look like that. That's 7,600. Yeah. 7,600. The front link. Yeah, so look at that. That's actually quite interesting. This is green, this one's yellow. One of the industrial ones. I know that thing's locked, got the power shift in it too. It's got the 19-speed power shift and you can see it from here. There's your used stuff, well, what's left of their used stuff. And, what is that? 50, what is that? 525. The loader, I guarantee that's wore out. I guarantee that loader just got wore out. Oh, that's interesting. I've never seen one like that right there. That New Holland. That looks interesting. It's a New Holland. Oh, oh. Buddy. I never really looked at New Holland. Oh, what is this? I don't know what that is. There's this used. Let's see, where are the hours on it? I guarantee that's rolled over. It's 4-speed. The ABC and the ABC. Now there's something you don't see very often. It's one of those. I gotta catch this on film. Small grater. Oh, God, people, leave me alone. Look at that. Yeah. No keys in her. Plastic's wore out. 2-way in it. That's cool. Yeah, it's frozen. Huh. This is more of a European thing. I don't know how you look over that. I don't know how you do. There's your gas. There's your accelerator. Got your, I think. Yep, there's your brakes. Seat does not swivel. 2-way exit. Those 2 doors. I think this is an articulated guy. I think the pin is. Yeah, it's an old one. I've actually seen her some use. I've never seen it. It's cute. No one I've looked at before. Yeah. Not gonna get in it, but I gauge the hours on this thing. 636.5 on it. This looks like it's homemade almost. I don't see a number on it. Yep. That's just sticky. No, no. That's gotta be homemade. And here's something. There's one lot too. Like a F1145. Hours on this thing anywhere? If I can tell. There you go, because that seat's disgusting. What is this, an 8210 plow? Nope, 280, 2810. What is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bottom. Oh, and there's a 4-row planter. Yes, semi-mounted? Yep. It's semi-mounted. Wow. And John Deere 7000 4-row planter looks like one lonely farmer's, but this one's sitting up. It's stuck. Oh, there's an old one right there. I gotta switch hats. Oh, look at that 7290 yard before you leave. That 7290 with the duals on it. There's that big one back over there. Yeah, there's one duals on it. What model is this? I guess it's you see it? It's a 2020. And it doesn't look too bad. I'll get on it. What is that? That looks like a generator. Tackle looks like it's broken, so it looks like a European model. Oh, is that 66? 65.6. That's good. How you sit on this elevator. There's your loader valves. You got your tilt for your bucket, then up and down. Yeah. You got see, 1-2 reverse, and then oh, it's not even in park. Oh, it's got a splitter in it too, apparently. See, 15264837. See, there's gotta be a splitter on this thing somewhere. Oh, there's your hydraulics. Right there. That's gotta be your main. It's just got a float in it. Same with that one. See, that's 1 tick. That's got two detents on it. I think egg waggons for that too. I don't know. Yeah, see this. Here's your 3-point right there. There's got a key in it too. See, that's your throttle. This thing's interesting. Really interesting. It's got a lot of plane. This thing is narrow. I'm not doing something to get off this. Cute little tractor. I wouldn't mind having it. Say with missing tire. It's 145 loader. It's a John Deere 2020 wheel weights in it. These guys got 540 in it. That thing's cute. That thing's interesting. He's in it too. Everything's frozen on him. There's a nice little mower. I don't feel like getting copyrighted today. I don't know, look at that 7290 up there before we go. Back over this way where we started. Oh, there's your own sprayer. There's our used section back there. Everything up here's new. There's two actually I want to look at. That 7290, this other one right here. I know they're locked. There's no keys out here. Not like they used to be. And these are, looks like these are used. These two are. Looks like these two used. Look at the wheel weights on that one. Jesus. Look at the wheel weight. 7210R is one Travis wants. That's gotta be European model. Yep, locked. What is it? Yep, IVT left-hand reverser. That's gotta be a nice place to sit all day. That ladder's steep though. See that? What's about this one? No one ever unlocks those right-hand doors. That's really used, I know that. And that's locked. I think the other door's locked too. Oh, look at these while we are. Yep. Oh, they don't have lots of 7330 premium. That's got the, I don't know what type of transmission that is. No, it's not a new transmission by any means. Sneak around here. Yeah, here's a lock. The wheel weight's not 7210R. That's just insane. Yeah, there's that one right there, those narrow duals on it right there. That's from Travis Ranch, it's 7210. Oh, it looks like a European model.
What are we doing?
That one.
This one?
Yes,
Right here?
that one, yep.
And we're done?
Yeah.
Huh?
See, the skid steering's locked while I'm at it. It's this thing a little while. And I don't know if it's new. No loader mounts on it. Yep, it's locked. It's got a newer screen on it, power shift. It's not bad. It's got actual stairs on instead of a ladder. So take tires are these. 480 by 80R 46. Those are duals. Gosh, those almost looks like in how Farms to Work has. Let's look at 7330 one more time. That's a used. Huh. Oh, I think we can't do that one of these. Oh man, it's got foot controls in it. No key. Huh. So I assume these would be your movement right here, and these would be your arms, your bucket in your arms. Oh, these might be, I don't know. Yeah. That's interesting. Yeah. See, there's hours on it. I like that. Now if I can just get out of here. There it goes. Finally latched. Here's a 320E tires machine. This looks like it's new. I don't think it's... Oh no, it is. See what Wes is talking about, these new doors. And more foot control. No one knows John Deere went to foot control. Let's see, this got, how many hours this thing got on it? 280 hours on it. And look, there's skid steer. Foot controls on it. Yeah, not a bad machine. Seeing your, where's your throttle be on this thing? Oh, there it is right there. There's a 31.8 DS and one I have, my model. Now, the trick is getting out of here, they'll bang your head on stuff. This is a bucket though. That one's used. You can tell right now it's used. There's rust on it. Yeah, no, there's rust. Yep, rust. Oh yeah, this is got stuff in the bucket. Let's see, there's the asking price for it right there. $21,900. $21,900. I guarantee this. Yeah, why did they go to foot controls? Oh, she's just all foot controls. He's got the seat in it. Let's see. Looking at this is light over the key in them. 1119.6. That's not bad. I don't know if you'd trade these in and sell low hours on them. Blows my mind. Yeah, it's probably the same loadout. Nope. It's like a Bobcat. Someone welded stuff on it. These two look like I remember getting out of here. I'm getting cold. What is it? 1545 is what the city would have. Got the nice cab on it. I'd like to have one of these. Okay, as usual, there's your heater. Right there. Got your, there's your detent. You're up and down. So that's your throttle. Your independent brakes, I assume. Forward, reverse. And your brake, and here's your throttle, which I'm very familiar with. Dancing it out here, it's got a camera system on it. This opens up. I'm gonna close that. No, close it down. Look outside, no door on this side apparently. And that one's broken. And this one broken too. This isn't bad though. Let's see. If I'm not mistaken, this goes. I can't get this thing to. There it goes. Jesus. Frozen. It's not good. Okay, sits outside. Surprised I missed this one. What the heck? That's fun. Why did that door latch? I think that's why right there, this stupid tag. No. Latch. What? Here's what, 33 hours and new. This one ain't that new. It's split brakes, I want you to do like split brakes. PTO, flat. This is their new kind of design. I don't know what that is. Let's room to forward first. Got your throttle. And then your joystick. Actually, I always love these. Jake. I always like these joysticks. They're always nice. Yeah. That's a series too. I've seen them without cabs and with cabs. I've been in Toro versions of them. City has them. Where do they go? It looks like, yeah, it's skid steer. There's cabs. I don't know what the brand that is. It sits tall.